Godfather of the Voyeurs Jail. Shout out my boy, DEMEGODTV.
It's Wave God in this motherfucker. Hey, shout my nigga Demi T though.
Got the song pop like I'm Iggy. All they talking about is last night like I'm Demi. Say you got.
Groupies donated $5. Damn ski pulled the Michael.
Let's see what the
Today, Dean family, I'm cooking with a black mind. You're cooking with a melody, man. Comedic mind, you feel me? And today, we're going to be making some rice, egg, chicken, you feel me? And together, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to call it and come up with this masterpiece, you feel me? And today, you feel me, I got my eggs right there. Got my chicken and my bowl ready. My seasoning. Then I got your rice right here. Kit Kat now, cause right now I'm putting the Kit Kat with the eggs, so it's gonna be something really, really different. The concoction, what I'm about to make, y'all gotta wait till the finishing product. Chicken getting defrosted. There's your chicken getting defrosted right there. I'm like, while that do that, you gotta get this rice ready. If y'all know, don't put too much water and too less. You can burn it, or no, not. See right now, got it. Oh shit, perfect. Yo. Now we about to do these eggs since I got the rice on low. You don't want no cracks in that bit. If you want to, do it slow. Boom. Simple, easy, perfect crack. Simple. Love it. You feel me? You gotta love it. Let's go for the next one. Perfect cracks. I get perfect cracks out here. No shells. No shells. No shells. Yes, sir. Perfect. Just perfect. And last but not least, I'm gonna put some brown sugar in there. Far, motherfucker. Get that little. That brown sugar gonna add a special sweeter taste, you know? Yeah. Put y'all on something. Brown sugar is good. And then mix it up, you feel me? Yeah. You want to mix thoroughly. You want it perfectly mixed before adding anything else. Cause these gonna get dipped in the chicken. Yeah, these getting perfect. It's getting better. It's what you call Chef Curry with the wrist. Really whipping that thing, you feel me? Yeah. It's look milky. Right now I'm chopping my meat. Chopping the meat. Holy moly. Shit. I didn't season my meat yet because I want to do it when I'm done cutting my pieces of chicken. Want to make it strict diet. That's my baby. Y'all see they got the eggs still. The eggs gonna get done in a little bit. Oh wow. Glad I got more chicken tenders. I'm cutting this lovely right now. I wish y'all could see it from the angle right here, right now. Jesus. I'll also teaching y'all how to cook for yourself also, you feel me? Some people love fat me. Yeah, I don't love like that shit. There we go. I'm getting all the meat, nothing but meat, you feel me? I ain't getting no fat with this bitch. Perfect cut. There we go. Some of y'all like, why you cutting like this? Well, this is how fancy people cut at fancy restaurants sometimes. That's why they be so much money, man. Y'all getting low key Chef Ramsay type shit right now. Oh crap, that's it. Remember this, Dean. Always wash your hands after anything. Now I got my chicken. I'm gonna get my seasonings. I got chicken, Kentucky seasoning. I wish I did the eggs first. I'll just put some eggs on it, on top of it. Then garlic powder, Dean family. Diced onions, so to bring out the flavor, you know. Y'all can take the onion off if you want after the fact. Then use pottery season. Low-key feel like I should have pulled dipped it in egg first. Especially because, like, if I make these Kit Kats with it, you know what? Now I gotta get the flour in, feel me? And, well, make sure you wash the dishes while you don't bring this shit, by the way, so you won't have do a lot of work. That's why you see me doing your paper plates. I got my flour right here. Shit. Oh, shit. That's enough. Okay. Here's a close up on the chicken. I'm gonna dip it in the flour. And more to the story, I'm gonna have to steam fry. Dump it right here. Oh yes. This shit gonna be delicious. Females, ladies, get you a guy that cook. Why I can't do multitask? Shoot. So you don't have to buy food all the time or cook all the time, you know? Got it good now. Shit, your shit ain't slimy. I'm looking like this. You doing something wrong. Gotta wash my hand now. Never mind, not yet. Now I'm about to put the Kit Kats. Actually, a lot more than I actually expect. Putting it in the eggs and I'm gonna mix it up. You feel me? Because I'm making Kit Kat eggs. Hopefully this be enough. Kit Kat, might put some more. Yeah, it's gonna be something different. You know, TikTok and YouTube about to go crazy with it when they get done. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And I'm gonna dump some soy sauce into the pot so you can get some. Bring out a more tasty flavor, you know. We doing the pan fry. You feel me? When this rice get done, it's going into the pot. You feel me? And the eggs gonna be the last thing to get cooked, cause that's gonna be the quickest thing, honestly, to be made. So yeah, I'm about to get the chicken ready, cause the rice starting to properly get ready, I guess you can say. Gotta put a lid on that bit. You feel me? Hey, yes sir, yes ma'am. So that bit can get cooked fast. Boom, done. Gotta let that bit heat up a little bit more, then we gonna do this with you. You feel me? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. We about to be eating chicken. We about to be chicken wing, upgrade from bologna, down my from bologna, drop top my bologna, chicken wing, upgrade from bologna, chop off in the onion, cooking up a phony. So what's up? Pan fry, huh? It's my first time cooking pan fry. Chicken wing, okay, bologna, got that on bologna, fucking with the homies. Chicken wing, upgrade from bologna, got that on bologna. I don't need a fork. This. I don't need. Get some butter. Fuck. Got all the chicken pieces in that bit. What a clutch. piece of butter. In that bit too. Also, I forgot and did it late. I apologize. Rookie mistake, didn't come late. Rookie mistake right there. I got chicken wing up where and bologna. Y'all talking about homie. Riding with my homies. Chicken wing, up where from bologna. Right now, I'm letting this butter steam and like melt off into the food right now so like I can get a better fryer feel. Gotta turn down my water down because you see my rice, yeah, it's prepping. Might get us some butter. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, kind of sticky. Now come over to the pot with her. Hey, see what we doing here? Yeah, it's coming somewhere for dessert right now. It's cooking. As y'all can see, we can't magic right here. He looking like boneless chicken right here. Chicken tenders. My rice looking almost done. Looking almost slightly ready. Gotta leave enough space for eggs.
Need some more butter. More butter.
And y'all thought black people can't cook. What? Tell we out here in the street. We cook like hard not the shot there. Yo, look at the meat. So white and juicy right now. You gotta make sure the meat cooked all the way through. Because you don't want to eat or have somebody eat some unsanitary, non-eating, non-finished food and get sick and die. You don't want that to happen, chicken breasts, man. They turning white, man. It's like homemade Chinese food out here, man. It's different. Okay, Dean family. Y'all gonna wanna turn that heat down for the chicken head, you feel me? And check on your rice. Let's see if it's almost done, Dean family. Hey yo, Pete gang, your boy can cook now. Your boy slept on now. And this rice gonna go in there. Matter of fact, I'm finna start putting this egg in now. Wait a minute. I need to get 1 plate for the egg, 1 plate for the chicken. Now I got that ready. Now we're gonna finish up the egg. Sheesh. Shit, I hot. God damn, burn myself almost. Shit. Gotta turn this all the way down. I'm gonna burn myself, honestly. And the rice is done. Yeah, they be looking kind of different. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Now I'm putting the rice in. This something new. This something I just tried. I just thought of and made up. So, yeah, you can try it too if you at home. And go to soy. It's actually the finished product, how it actually finished looking. And Dean family gonna try this after. Ooh, actually look nice, okay. Pretty good. So we're gonna try it after the finished product on video and see how it is. Matter of fact, Dean family, we finna take a scoop and take a bite now. Matter of fact, yeah. Hey yo, this shit buzz low key. That shit good. Hey, yo, try this shit, low key. Now I'm finna try our chicken breast too. Mmm. That's a different taste. Like, y'all ever had like egg and rice? But it's like the Kit Kat taste just put an extra kick to it, like a sweetness to it. You feel me? Like, this is not Kit Kat rice, fried rice, chicken fried rice. You feel me, Dean family? So if you like this, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Subscribe to the channel, road to 100K million and Billy. Check out the merch and description box below. Love you guys. Hope y'all safe and well. Shoot, that's what I'm finna eat for dinner. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this and try it at home. You know, love you guys. I'm out. And let me know what else you want me to try, or what candy you want me to add an ingredient to a food meal. You feel me, in the comment section below. I'll be reading. I'll do it next time. See you guys next time. I'm out.